Hello students, today we will solve exercise 2.3 from the chapter relation and function. And the first question is, which of the following relations are functions? इसमें से कौन से रिलेशन फंक्शन है? गिव रीजन भी देना है हमें. इफ इट इज अ फंक्शन, determine its domain and range. So the first number is 21, 51, 81, 11, 1, 14, 1 and 17, 1. So we will check which of the following relations are function by the help of mapping diagram. Mapping diagram. Mapping diagram is the best method to check which relations are functions. So the mapping diagram of first question is, this is your set A and this is your set B, and function is defined from A to B. So suppose this is the ordered pair 2 1, where 2 is an element of set A and 1 is an element of set B. So we can write here 2, 5, 8, 11, 14 and 17. 2, 8, 5, 8, 11, 14 and 17, and we will write here 1. 1 is a single element. 1 is a single element from the set B. So 2 connect with 1, 5 connect with 1, 8 connect with 1, 11 connect with 1, 14 connect with 1 and 17 connect with 1. So you can see that every element of set A is an unique image in set B. So this relation is function. The number second is, draw a mapping diagram. This is set A and this is set B, and function is defined from set A to set B. Set A having the element 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14, and set B having the element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 connect with 1, 4 connect with 2, 6 connect with 3, 8 connect with 4, 10 connect with 5, 12 connect with 6 and 14 connect with 7. Here you can see that every element of set A has unique image in set B. So this relation is function. Let's see number third from the question number first. This is your set A and this is your set B, and function is defined from A to B, where ordered pair 1 3, 1 5 and 2 5. So set A having the element 1 2 and set B having the element 3 and 5. 1 connect with 3, 1 connect with 5, 2 connect with 5. Here you can see that 1 has two different images, different images, that is f of 1 is equal to 3 and f of 1 is equal to 5. So this relation is not a function. This relation is not a function. Now we will solve the next question from the exercise 2.3, question number 2, and the question number 2 is find the domain and range of the following real functions. In question number 2, the first question is fx is equal to minus mod x. If fx is equal to mod x, so this can be written as fx is equal to x when x is greater than 0, or fx is equal to minus x when x is less than 0. Or you can write like this: fx is equal to x when x is greater than or equal to 0, or fx is equal to minus x when x is less than 0. So we know that mod x is equal to x when x is greater than or equal to 0, or minus x when x is less than 0. Therefore fx is equal to minus mod x is equal to minus x when x is greater than or equal to 0, because ये पॉजिटिव mod x है तो पॉजिटिव x when x is greater than or equal to 0 and negative x when x is less than 0. अब यहाँ नेगेटिव माइनस एक्स है तो कंडीशन सेम यही दोनों रहेंगे, बस यहाँ पे दोनों में माइनस साइन से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, ये पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव हो जाएगा और नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. एंड x when x is less than 0. Since fx is defined for x belongs to R. fx किसके लिए डिफाइन होगा? सारे रियल नंबर के लिए डिफाइन होगा, क्योंकि अगर हम x में कोई भी वैल्यू कोई भी रियल नंबर डालते हैं तो वो हमें पॉजिटिव नंबर ही देगा. डोमेन क्या हो जाएगा इसका? द डोमेन, सो द डोमेन ऑफ f is R. अब नेक्स्ट हम इसके रेंज पर कंसीडर करते हैं. सो लेट्स सी फॉर द रेंज it can be observed that it can be observed that the range of fx is equal to minus mod x is all real numbers all real numbers except positive real numbers. Positive real numbers. Therefore the range of f is open interval minus infinity to closed interval 0. Similarly, in the second, fx is equal to under root 9 minus x square. Under root 9 minus x square will exist, or any other root value will exist when it will be greater than or equal to 0. Since under root 9 minus x square is defined for all real numbers that are greater than or equal to -3 and less than or equal to 3. So the domain of fx is closed interval -3 to 3. For any value of x, such that x lie between 3 to -3, the value of fx will lie between 0 and 3. Therefore the range of fx is closed interval 0 to 3. In third question, if a function is defined by fx is equal to 2x minus 5, write down the value of f0, f7 and f minus 3. So let's see one by one. If fx is equal to 2x minus 5, then f0 will be, replace x to 0, this will be equal to 2 into 0 minus 5, this will be equal to -5, and f7 is equal to 2 into 7 minus 5, this will be equal to 14 minus 5 is 9, and number third, f minus 3 is equal to 2 into -3 minus 5 is equal to -6 minus 5 is equal to -11. And the next question is number 4. The function t which maps temperature in degree Celsius into temperature in degree Fahrenheit is defined by Tc is equal to 9C by 5 plus 32. Find T0. We have to find the value of T0, T28, T minus 10, and the value of C and the value of C when Tc is equal to 212. So let's see one by one. First we will find the value of T0. If Tc is equal to 9C by 5 plus 32, then T0 is equal to T0, replace C by 0, 9 into 0 by 5 plus 32 plus 32. 9 into 0, this will be 0, 0 by 5 0, 0 plus 32 is equal to 32. Now we will find T28. So 9 into 28 upon 5 plus 32. 9 into 28 is equal to 252 upon 5 plus 32. Taking LCM, the LCM will be 5. This will be equal to 252 plus 5 multiplied by 32. This will be equal to 160 is equal to 412 upon 5. And number third, T minus 10. So 9 into minus 10 upon 5 plus 32. 5 to ya 10, and 9 into minus 2 minus 18 plus 32 is equal to 14. And the value of C when Tc is equal to 212. So the given equation is Tc is equal to 9C upon 5 plus 32, and given that the value of Tc is equal to 212. So put the value of Tc in this equation. The value of Tc is 212 is equal to 9C upon 5 plus 32, or 9C upon 5 is equal to 212 minus 32. 9C upon 5 is equal to 180. 9C is equal to 180 into 5, or C is equal to 180 into 5 upon 9. 9 to the 18, this will be cancelled out by 20 times. C is equal to 20 into 5, and C is equal to 25 ja 100. So the value of C is equal to 100 when Tc is equal to 212.